Hey guys, what's up? It's Unbox Reality. We've got the iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th gen, 128 gigabyte. We're going to unbox it and take a look. Alright, so outside of the packaging is typical Apple packaging. And take a good look at the back there. You can see iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th gen, 128 gigabyte. You got the pull tab on the side. And just pull up the top and it should drop right down. And there we go. Alright, wow. And that is a big tablet. Hopefully I don't regret buying the 12.9 inch. But also inside the box, get your standard paperwork. Got your quick start guide. You've also got your 2 Apple stickers. Now we'll go ahead and put those away. That's it for everything in there. Now this comes with a 20 watt USB Type-C power brick. Then you get your USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. And that is it for everything inside of the box. So let's go ahead, unwrap this tablet, take a closer look at it. So go ahead and pull that tab, unwrap it. This is the Space Gray model, 128 gigabyte. It's just under 8.5 inches wide, a little bit over 11 inches tall, and it's less than a 1/4 inch wide, weighing in at a little bit under 1.5 pounds. Now the display on these is a liquid retina display, LED backlit multi-touch display. Resolution is 2732 by 2048. This also has the A12Z Bionic chip. So there's 2 cameras on this. There's a wide and ultra wide. The wide is 12 megapixels, the ultra wide coming in at 10 megapixels. Good for 125 degree field of view. It's got a 2x optical zoom, digital zoom up to 5 times. As far as video recording goes, you get 4K recording at 24, 30, or 60 frames per second. Now the speakers here, there are 4 speakers, 2 left, 2 right. So as I mentioned before, you'll get some nice stereo sound out of this. Alright, so that concludes the first look at the Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch 4th gen. So thanks for watching, and I'll be sure to catch you in the next one.